Hello, Mac people. How are you guys? So, you would have learned recently that Apple has released the feature where you could remove MDM activation lock code using Apple Business Manager, and that's what we are going to look at. First of all, forgive me for my morning sound. In Sweden, you have this problem of pollen allergy, and it's such a strange thing when the pollination starts, you start to get allergy. I think it's in most Western countries. But I'm not sure why it's happening to me. We have lived in the garden, in the plants with the flowers, flowers next to our bed. I don't know why it's happening here, but I just stay in this cold effect all the time. Um, okay, so yeah, business.apple.com is the URL where you have to go, right? And you sign in with your company ID. Uh, well, the senior guys know already. Okay, so this is not for them. So you come here, you log into this, and then you go to devices. I have to blur the serial numbers, but you have to go to the devices option. And then once you select the device, you would see the option. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so once you search your device using your serial number, and you select your device, you move right side, you can see the details about this device, and you see this icon here. You click on this. If the activation lock code is on, you would get this button to turn off. So make sure you understand why are you turning it off. You can't just turn off the activation lock code like that. There should be a reason. And then if a device is getting released from organization, means it has reached its 3, 4, 5 years life cycle, then you should turn it off and then release from organization as well. But make sure that you have a process. Don't release the devices just on Teams chat or Slack chat. There should be a process, there should be an incident log, incident or service request, depends on how you handle it. But there should be a logged request for that, because releasing a device from organization means it's going away and anyone can rebase and use it. That means if it goes in wrong hand, you would be questioned. Or if it released before its end of life, you would be questioned. So anyone who asks you, make sure that you see when the device was added in the company, and then if it has reached end of life, then you do it. Otherwise, there could also be a scenario that the device is broken and you just want to throw it away. Even in that case, or it could also happen that you have sent your device back to your hardware vendor and they can't get into the device, and then they would ask you to remove the activation lock code. So whatever you're doing, make sure you understand, make sure everything is logged. Okay, I think it was pretty simple. L1s and L2s, make sure you understand, make sure you log. It's very important. Okay, that's it for today. Have a good day ahead, guys.